Good morning, everyone. How are you? So, I'm back over here once again. So, class, today we are going to start with chapter number 20. It is lesson number 20 from the book PC Brain's Grammar Book, and this is the lecture number 1 of this chapter. And what is the name of the chapter? That is prepositions. That is prepositions. Let me tell you, what do you mean by preposition? You all know what do you mean by position. Position क्या होता है? Position means स्थान, किसी चीज का स्थान. एंड प्री मीन्स पहले. प्री मीन्स पहले. पोजीशन, स्थान, प्री, पहले. फाइन. सो you all know what are nouns. Let us recall. Nouns are the naming words. Those are names of person, place, animal, thing. Fine. So preposition tells us where these person, place, animal, things are. ये सब कहाँ पर हैं? कोई चीज कहाँ पर है, और किसी चीज की पोजीशन, किसी चीज का स्थान कहाँ पर है. वेयर द पर्टिकुलर थिंग इज. फाइन मीन्स वेयर द नाउन इज. मेन फंडा इज, मेन एजेंडा इज वेयर द नाउन इज. सो प्रीपोजिशन टेल्स अस अबाउट द पोजीशन ऑफ थिंग्स. फाइन. So pre means पहले, means it is used before a noun or a pronoun. Prepositions are used before nouns and pronouns. So let us start. So our topic is prepositions. So what is the definition? Preposition is a word that is placed before a noun or a pronoun to show its relation with another word. So it is placed before a noun or a pronoun. Noun और pronoun से पहले आता है. And it shows the relation with the other words in the sentences. So sentences में बाकी के शब्द हैं, उनके साथ एक relation show करता है. Like example, the book fell off the desk. There are two off, OF off and OFF off. OFF off is used when something get separated from another thing. जब एक चीज किसी चीज से अलग हो जाती है तो हम यूज करते हैं OFF off, और OF off यूज करते हैं का, के, की. Fine. The book fell off the desk. The book fell off the desk. अब बुक की पोजीशन कहाँ है? डेस्क से अलग हो गई, वो गिर गई. The children play in the garden. Where are the children playing? Where is the position? They are in the garden. So in is preposition. He is fond of chocolate. Fine. He means he likes to eat much chocolates. Many chocolates. He is fond of chocolates. So class, now these are many more examples for you all. There are endless prepositions. बहुत सारी prepositions होती हैं. So these are the few 12 examples. After that we are going to categorize the preposition into three parts, into three main parts. Fine. Then they will have sub prepositions. That will be easy for you. So let us start with the examples. First is, it is 10 o'clock by your watch. आपकी जो वॉच है, घड़ी के द्वारा 10 बज गए हैं. मीन्स घड़ी से जब हम टाइम देख रहे हैं, बाय किसी ऑब्जेक्ट से. शी इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम फीवर, फ्रॉम इन्फेक्शन. सफरिंग फ्रॉम मीन्स से. दिस इज प्रीपोजिशन. दिस पेन इज फॉर यू. ये पेन किसके लिए? आपके लिए है, तुम्हारे लिए है. सो फॉर इज द प्रीपोजिशन. आई एम नॉट अफ्रेड ऑफ सरप्राइज टेस्ट. मुझे डर नहीं लगता. किससे? सरप्राइज टेस्ट से. ऑफ इज द अगेन प्रीपोजिशन. आई वेंट टू द स्कूल विद माई ब्रदर. विद मीन्स के साथ. द वॉलेट इज लाइंग ऑन द टेबल. कहाँ पे है? पोजिशन कहाँ है वॉलेट की? टेबल पर. ऑन मीन्स पर. The puppy was sleeping under the table. Now where is the position of the puppy? It is under the table. So under is the preposition. He has a meeting at 8 a.m. Whenever there is a time, 8 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m., we use the preposition at. क्या use करते हैं time के साथ preposition? At. So the wedding is at 20th April. जब भी हमारे पास date और मंथ साथ में होता है. अगर सिर्फ हमारे पास मंथ है तो इन अप्रैल, अगर डेट है फिर मंथ है तो एट दिस ईयर. द हाउस इज बिहाइंड द ट्री. घर कहाँ है? पेड़ के पीछे. सो वेयर इज द प्लेस? इट इज बिहाइंड. बिहाइंड मीन्स के पीछे. सो बिहाइंड इज द प्रीपोजिशन. The school is near my house. Near means पास में, किसी के पास में. So over here near is the preposition. Amit is in front of the tree. Amit की position कहाँ है? पेड़ के सामने, पेड़ के सामने. So you all should know the Hindi meaning of these preposition and you should read the sentence once, twice, thrice. Then only you will be able to fill in the blanks with the help of prepositions. Fine. Now let us move forward. Kinds of prepositions. In your book, there are particularly two kinds. First is preposition of time, then next is preposition of location. Fine. Then there are few more prepositions which are explained in your book on page number 86. But I have simply and precisely categorized the preposition in three parts. That is place of preposition, time preposition and direction preposition. Mainly आपके syllabus में दो ही हैं, but आपको ये तीनों करनी है. You should know because now you are in 4th standard, not in 1st or 2nd, 3rd. Fine. So there are three kind of preposition which you have to study. First is preposition of place, then time, then direction. In this lecture, we will go with the preposition of time and place. In the next lecture of prepositions, we will study the direction of prepositions also. So let's move forward. Yeah, preposition of time. Let us start. So there are three main prepositions which we used in preposition of time. तीन main preposition होती है जिनके अलग अलग uses होते हैं. First है on, then after that in, then after that at. These are three main preposition which comes in preposition of time. जब भी आप learn करो अपनी finger tips पे, first is preposition of time. इसमें तीन सब prepositions आती हैं. First is in, then on, then at. अब इन तीनों in, on, at के further uses होते हैं. हम इनको कहाँ use करते हैं? So let us start with on. Fine. On. Where do we use preposition on? Days of the week. Whenever you have, there are 7 days of the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. In all these we use on. My birthday falls on Monday. My cousin's marriage is on Wednesday. Fine. Next is days of the month. Days of the month. When you have days of the month, there is a particular date. My birthday falls on 25th October. When there is a date also and month also. This I already told you in the previous slide. Next is when you have on, day and the part of the day. Means part of the day means morning, evening, noon, afternoon, midnight. Fine, these are the part of the days. Day को एक पूरे दिन को हमने हिस्सों में डिवाइड कर दिया है, उनको बोलते हैं पार्ट ऑफ द डेज. जब आपके पास पूरा डे भी हो कंप्लीट और उसका पार्ट भी हो. लाइक आई वेंट ऑन संडे मॉर्निंग टू द पार्क. आई वेंट ऑन संडे मॉर्निंग टू द पार्क. अब इसमें डे भी है और पार्ट ऑफ डे भी है. नेक्स्ट इज डेट्स विद मंथ एंड डे. मैंने आपको भी बताया था जब हमारे पास डे भी होता है मीन्स डेट भी होती है और मंथ भी होता है. यू हैव टू कीप दिस इन योर माइंड. जब भी डेट होती है और मंथ दोनों होते हैं वी यूज प्रेपोजिशन ऑन. जब हमारे पास डेट नहीं होती सिर्फ मंथ होता है वी यूज प्रेपोजिशन इन. हॉलीडेज विद डे. क्रिसमस फॉल्स ऑन 25th October, this 25th December, है ना. We celebrate. Everyone is happy on Christmas Day. Everyone is happy on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day. Whenever there is any occasion means any holiday with day. जहाँ day लिखा होता है और उसके साथ कोई भी holiday होता है. Use preposition on. Fine. The weekends. I go on weekends to my Naniya's house. Fine. मैं नानी के घर जाता हूँ वीकेंड पर. Whenever there is any weekend तो क्या यूज करते हैं on. So you have to keep it in your mind with the days of week, days of month, with the on day plus part of the day, then with the date and day both, then on the holiday also, then on weekends. Over here we use on. Now these are few examples of the preposition on. Let's go ahead. The train arrived on time. समय पर आई. They are arriving on Monday. Now you can see there is only day. The test is on 8th December. Date and day. Many shops do not open on Sundays. ये Sundays plural नहीं होता. Sundays means हर एक Sunday, every Sunday. I have a meeting with my manager on Fridays. Again day. I had a party on my birthday. Now there is a particular what occasion the birthday is, on that we use on. I visited my grandparents on Christmas Day. What are you doing on New Year's Day? जब भी कोई फेस्टिवल, ठीक है, जब भी कोई हॉलीडे और उसके बाद डे आ रहा है तब हम यूज करेंगे preposition on. Understood? Now let us move forward with the preposition of time, that is in. So preposition of time, where it is used, आपको ये learn करना पड़ेगा. You can write it also, but you have to learn it. Then only you will be able to answer correctly. ठीक है? So let us start with the preposition in. Whenever there are seasons, जब भी कोई season है, winter season, summer season, rainy season, autumn season, spring season, we use preposition in. I was born in winters. Fine. Decades, सदियाँ. In 1990s. In 1990s there was a big tsunami. Centuries, शताब्दियाँ. Fine. In 21st century, fine. In 21st century, everyone was happy. In 21st century, we were living a life as peaceful as now. Then we have parts of the day. Parts of day में भी use करते हैं हम. In the morning, I get up in the morning. On the morning थोड़ा ना बोलेंगे. In the morning, I sleep in night. No, it will be I sleep at night. जब fixed time हो तो हम at भी use करते हैं. Length of time, जब hours हो. I can complete this sum in 3 hours. I can solve this question paper in 4 hours. Years, I was born in 1991. I was born in 2017. जब सिर्फ month होता है और date नहीं होती. सिर्फ month होता है और date नहीं होती. My cousin's marriage is in October. My birthday falls in December. When you have weeks, I have holidays. Sorry, what you can say is in 5 weeks I will complete my whole holiday homework. Fine. So you have to learn the uses of this preposition where we use the preposition in. ये बस टाइम की बात कर रहे हैं हम, प्लेस की बात नहीं कर रहे. प्लेस में भी हम preposition in और on यूज करते हैं. Right now it is all about time. Next is, these are examples of preposition in. I did my homework in the afternoon, part of the day. She came in the morning, part of the day. She met us in night. The wedding is in April, only month. They got married in 2015 year. Mark was born in 1984. Jane often goes skiing in the winter, season name. I love going to Paris in the spring, season name. I will complete this homework in 2 hours, time fix. Back in the 1880s, women did not have same right that they do today. मतलब जो 1800 में उनके पास जो right था वो आज नहीं है. Fine. So over here we have used preposition in. Now let us go ahead with the preposition at. अब at हम कहाँ use करते हैं? Time की. अभी हम यहाँ पे सिर्फ time की बात कर रहे हैं. It is preposition of time. फिर हम preposition of place की बात भी करेंगे. Okay? At. Where we use preposition at. Whenever there is a fixed time. At 10 o'clock. At 5 o'clock. I wake up at 8 o'clock in the morning. At. At the weekend. Fine. At midnight. I sleep at midnight. I was watching movie. I was watching a horror movie at midnight. At dawn. At night. At the age of 7. At the age of 19, I started driving the scooty. At breakfast. At breakfast, I had been doing my work side by side. These are the examples of preposition at. Your plane leaves at. At is particularly used with time also. 4:55 p.m. We should go to airport now. She had a doctor's appointment yesterday at 7 o'clock. Again time. Let's meet at 3 o'clock. Again time. It gets cold. It gets cold at night. Everyone seems happy at Christmas. यहाँ पे डे नहीं है ना, तो सिर्फ at Christmas. At that time they were in room. उस समय पर वे कमरे में थे. The air is not so clear at sunrise. जब भी sunrise, sunset, we will use preposition at. We will walk about at the dinner. We will talk about at the dinner. The cafe was crowded at lunchtime. Lunchtime, dinner time, कोई भी time होगा. Fine. Snacks time, we will use at. I am going to New York at Easter. I hope you have understood at. Where do we use at? When there is a fixed particular time. Fine. At the time of weekends, at midnight, at night, at dawn, at the age. किसी की age की बात हो रही है. At lunch time, at dinner time, at breakfast time, at sunset, at sunrise, at Christmas, at Diwali. So we will use the preposition at. So next is the preposition of place. अब ये in, on, at, ये तीनों preposition place में भी use होती हैं. Fine, वो हमने पढ़ा था preposition of time. Now second is the preposition of place. Preposition of direction we will study in the next lecture. Now it will help you. These pictures will help you to understand. देखो अब in हमने time में भी पढ़ा था, in अब हम place में भी पढ़ेंगे. जब भी कोई चीज rest पर होती है, not at motion, it is at rest. हिल नहीं रही. Is it moving? No, it's at rest. So we use the preposition in. When it is in motion, वो हिल रही है, तो we will use into. ऐसे ही on और upon में होता है. On when it is at rest, when it is in motion, we use upon. ठीक है, जब हिल रही होती है, we use upon. In the box, the ball is in the box. Is it in motion? No. So we are using in. On, पर, बॉक्स पर है. अंडर, के नीचे, कोई सरफेस के नीचे है. अंडर द बॉक्स. सो दीज इन, ऑन, अंडर आर prepositions. नेक्स्ट टू, बिल्कुल बगल में. बिटवीन द बॉक्सेस, जब दो लोगों के, दो चीजों के बीच की बात होती है, वी यूज बिटवीन. और जब सबके बीच की बात होती है, वी यूज अमंग. वी यूज अमंग. जब सबके बीच की बात होती है तो क्या यूज करते हैं? अमंग. इन फ्रंट ऑफ, इन फ्रंट ऑफ मीन्स के सामने. इन फ्रंट ऑफ मीन्स के सामने. इन फ्रंट ऑफ का यूज होता है जब किसी के सामने. आई एम स्टैंडिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ द गेट. बिहाइंड, के पीछे. माई हाउस इज बिहाइंड द ट्री, पेड़ के पीछे. द बॉल इज बिहाइंड द बॉक्स. अबव, अबव में क्या होता है? के ऊपर, किसी के, यहाँ पे थोड़ा स्पेस है, उसके ऊपर. अब बिलो में नीचे. फाइन. नियर, बिल्कुल साथ में. फार फ्रॉम, उसके दूर, किसी ऑब्जेक्ट से दूर. फार फ्रॉम. एट, एट आ गया फिर से. एट होता है जब हम कोई स्पेसिफिक प्लेस पे खड़े हैं. आई एम स्टैंडिंग एट द गेट. स्पेसिफिक प्लेस पे खड़ी हूँ, उसी गेट पे खड़ी हूँ मैं. फाइन. आई एम स्टैंडिंग एट द स्विमिंग पूल, मतलब स्विमिंग पूल के बिल्कुल उसी प्लेस पे खड़ी हूँ मैं. फाइन. देन वी यूज द preposition at. I have told you about in and into. I have told you about between and among. इनको पेयर में रखना. in, into, between, among. Behind, in front of, near, on. Over is also the preposition. Over means के ऊपर. The cat jumped over the fence, जिसमें distance कम होता है और above में distance ज़्यादा होता है. Understood? So this is all about preposition of place. Now what you have to do is, there are more examples for this preposition of place. The bird is going into the cage, मतलब हिल रही है वो, उसकी पोजीशन वो हिलती हुई है, तो हमने क्या यूज किया? into. The pencil is in the cage, तो हमने into नहीं यूज किया because pencil is still, वो हिल नहीं रही. The bird is coming out of the cage, के बाहर. out of भी preposition है. The lunch box is on the table. The cow is standing under the tree. The kitten is sitting between two kittens. जब दो चीजों की बात होती है तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं? between. I will distribute the sweets among the students. सबके बीच में. The boy is standing behind the pillar. pillar के पीछे. The girl is standing near the food stall. food stall के पास खड़ी है. The treasure is hidden at the secret place. पर्टिकुलर प्लेस है secret. treasure क्या होता है? खजाना. सीक्रेट प्लेस मीन्स गुप्त जगह, वो उसी पर्टिकुलर प्लेस पे छुपा हुआ है, ट्रेजर खजाना. फाइन. तो हम उस जब एक स्पेसिफिक प्लेस की बात करते हैं तो वहाँ क्या यूज कर रहे हैं, प्रपोजिशन एट. आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड. Now this is the homework for you. You have to fill in the blanks by using the suitable preposition. From this you have to use in, on, at. You have to complete this. Then you have to complete this also. Fill in the blanks by using the correct preposition in, on, at. Fine. You have to keep it in your mind, the use of it very carefully. Fine. These are the 10 sentences. Over here there are 4 more sentences. So this is your homework. These are 14 sentences and this one paragraph you have to fill in the blanks. This is all about preposition. In next lecture, I will teach you about direction, preposition of direction, and we will revise all this also once again. That's it. Thank you.